Imagine a world where your model trains come to life with the most realistic and immersive sound experience. We're diving into the revolutionary technology that's changing the game for model railroaders, the SoundTraxx Blunami Decoders. Meet Blunami, a cutting-edge sound decoder from SoundTraxx that brings a new dimension to your model railroading experience. It's not just a decoder, it's a symphony of sound packed into a tiny package. Installation is a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned model railroader or just starting out, the Blunami decoder is designed for easy installation, ensuring that you spend less time tinkering and more time enjoying operating your railroad. With the Blunami app, you have the power to customize your sound experience. Choose from a vast library of authentic sounds to match your favorite locomotives. From steam engines to modern diesels, the possibilities are endless. Feel the power of your locomotive with realistic effects, such as exhaust chuffs, whistles, and brakes. The Blunami doesn't just reproduce sound, it creates an immersive atmosphere that simulates the heart of railroad action. Cut the cords and take control wirelessly. The Blunami decoder is compatible with your Bluetooth wireless smart devices, giving you the freedom to command your trains from anywhere in the room. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from fellow model railroaders who have embraced the Blunami experience.
Oh, hi, I'm Dino Coombs from What's Neat This Week, and let me tell you something what's neat. I got the new SoundTraxx Blunami app. The sounds are so realistic, it has totally transformed my layout. So if you excuse me, I got some switching to do.
Hey guys, my name is Jason. I'm also known as the Train Freak on YouTube. The reason why I love the Blunami decoders is the ease of the use in the app for changing the sound selections, the volume controls, and my most favorite feature, the digital dynamic exhaust auto calibration.
SoundTraxx Blunami decoders redefine the sound experience in model railroading. From easy installation to customizable sounds and realistic effects, it truly is a game changer for enthusiasts seeking the ultimate immersive journey. Upgrade your model railroad experience with SoundTraxx Blunami decoders today. Visit our website or your local hobby shop to bring the magic of authentic sound to your layout.